Alright you guys, so today is reveal day. If you've been keeping up with the videos I've been doing lately, you'll know I used to have an IS250. And in the last video, I showed all the mods I had planned for it, and even some of the mods I did do to it. But if you haven't seen it, I'll be sure to link it somewhere in this video here. But, not going to waste any time, let's go outside and check out the new vehicle I have now. Hello again. How are you doing? So, not to waste any time, here is the new vehicle I'll be rolling in. A Jeep Grand Cherokee. Has about 280 horsepower, able to pull up 7,000 pounds, has 18-inch rims, all the lights on the outside are LED, has 10-inch ground clearance, and obviously it's a black car. Everything on the inside is super up to date as well. Has an LED screen. I think this is like, I don't know how big it is, but it's pretty big. Has a turn dial, gear shifter, screen, was it digital cluster, and it's just super roomy, honestly. Like, and it even has like ambient lights along the sides here at night, and those look really nice. Memory seating on the door here. It does not come with a Sasha, but it's super cool. All right, let's close it up. Bro. So, one thing that's for sure different compared to the IS250, obviously, than it being an SUV, is that it doesn't have as much aftermarket support as the IS250 does. So that's going to be one of the bigger challenges I have with doing this car. And some of the stuff that I do want to do with the car is obviously wrapping it, new set of wheels, and then after that, it's going to be interesting to see what else is on the market, just because there's a lack of stuff on there. So I think there's like some additional lights. Everything on the outside is LED, but I think just better LEDs or different lights that make it more my car opposed to just being a generic car. And that's kind of the plan with this. But if you want to keep up with how I do everything on this car, be sure just to subscribe and see what does work out or what doesn't work out. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll be here hanging out with Sasha. Till then, see you guys.